Hello my dear students, this is Physics Balaji. Today let us discuss a problem based on electric charges and fields. A uniform electric field of 10 Newton per Coulomb is created between two parallel charged plates as shown in the figure. Here you can see two charged plates, positive and negative plate, and it is the uniform electric field between the plates. Its magnitude is given 10 Newton per Coulomb. An electron enters the field symmetrically between the plates with a kinetic energy 0.5 electron volts. So electron enters into the region with a kinetic energy of 0.5 electron volts. So let us convert the kinetic energy of electron into joules. 0.5, 1 electron volt value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. That means E value into joules. Here where E is the 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Kinetic energy formula will be half m u square. Where here u is the initial velocity of electron. So m is the mass of the electron. Then u square becomes now 2 into 1.5. So it becomes 1 into E by m. So now we will get u value as root of E by m, where E is the electron charge and m is the mass of the electron. Length of each plate is given 10 centimeters. The angle theta of deviation of the path of the electron as it comes out of the field. As the electrons moves like this, so this electron is a negative charge, so force will be opposite to electric field. Then acceleration also will be EQ by m, opposite to electric field. Due to that acceleration, it will undergo a parabolic path like this. As it comes out of the field, you are asked to find this deviation, how much angle it got deviated. Now to find this angle, we should know here velocity, and this is Vx and this is Vy. If you know Vx, Vy, you can find theta value. To find Vx value and Vy value, we should know t. So along x-axis, we know this displacement, apply s equal to ut plus half at square. Displacement along x-axis given 10 centimeters, convert into meters. Initial velocity along x-axis u, time t. X-axis, there is no acceleration. So because there is no field or no gravity, along x-axis acceleration is 0. Now from this, so this becomes 10 power minus 1 equal to, already we know u value as E by m, square root of E by m into time t. Now I got t value as root of m by E into 10 power minus 1. Here I got t value. Now how to find Vx value? Velocity along x-axis. V equal to formula u plus at. Final velocity along x-axis equal to initial velocity along x-axis here u. Acceleration along x-axis here we know is 0. So then Vx will be equal to u value already we know it is root of E by m. Similarly, let us find Vy value. Along y-axis, apply V equal to u plus at. Velocity along y-axis Vy equal to initial velocity along y-axis. In this direction no velocity was given, so initial velocity along y-axis 0. So initial velocity along y-axis 0. Acceleration along y-axis, only acceleration we had along y-axis only this one. So that acceleration is a equal to EQ by m. Here q means electron charge E, that means E by m. Now substitute that, so acceleration value was E by m into time t. We know t value 10 power minus 1 into square root of m by E. So now I will get Vy value as E into 10 power minus 1. So this root m by E, here this becomes root times This becomes root of E by m. Now I want deviation. So how much angle it got deviated? So from this right angle triangle we know, so tan theta equal to formula opposite side Vy by adjacent side Vx. So we can find deviation tan theta equal to formula Vy by Vx. So tan theta will be is equal to Vy value E into 10 power minus 1 root of E by m by Vx value we got root of E by m. So here we can see root E by m gets cancelled. So E value 10 Newton per Coulomb. So magnitude of electric field is 10 into 10 power minus 1 equal to tan theta. So tan theta becomes here 1. That means theta becomes 45 degrees. This electron is deviated by an angle of 45 degrees. Thank you.